What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? This is Ken coming at you from Ken.com. Yeah, that's right. That's right. The 1970 Pontiac Firebird or True Phoenix. This is July something 2019. I think I may have already shown you all a picture of this. I don't know if I'm taking a video. Y'all don't pay no attention to my carpet and my sandwich. Leave me alone. But yeah, I got my little trusty tool here. And I think that I've already taken a video of this. But anyway, I'm going to try to redo this. And today I'm going to, I got the tool, I found the tools to help me with this. I had them in the back all the time, in the house. That was what stopped me from really fooling with this because I didn't have a tool to do this. So today, I'm going to take this baby down. Oh, boy, boy, boy. What a day, what a day. I'm telling you, man. This... Why in the world would I want to do this? Why don't I just buy me a new one? Because I told myself that I wasn't going to spend any money on this car. That's why. That's why I fixed these old things. Because you know, look at this damn thing. Look at this. This is, I think I took a picture of this too. Windshield wiper. It's pitiful. This thing is, oh, now I really, this is an electrical part, and I really should buy this because this thing deserves to have a rest. It's not like it's, it's electrical, it's sort of got life in it. It's like a robot. It's time to relax it. Ain't that something? This is like a robot. I can't believe I said that. But yeah, it's like a robot. It has worked and worked and worked and worked, and it is just time. I'm going to replace you, robot. Oh, boy. Y'all don't know. Y'all just don't know. Anyway. Well, let me go on and finish this thing. Well, take it apart anyway. I haven't even put back together my other thing that I had, my heater core thing. I'm just waiting to get some money to buy a doggone heater core. On the ones that I have, they're aluminum and tiny and cheap looking, and I don't know, for some reason I want the original heater core. What do you guys think? It's a good question. Should I use the original heater core, or should I use the brass heater core? Original heater core is kind of small and tiny. I think I took a picture of it somewhere. And the brass heater core, I took a picture of that. I don't know where it is, but I took a picture. I don't know where it is. I ain't gonna do it again. Anyway, the brass one was kind of robust and huffy buffy looking, muscle car looking, That other one, I don't know. Hey, y'all don't blame me, okay? Hey, this is what I do. This is what I do. This is for the kids anyway. It's not for you. It's for the kids. Anyway, y'all see what I'm doing. I'm gonna redo this. Maybe one day I'm gonna throw that nasty stuff away. Throw it away, but I ain't gonna pay no money to get it fixed. I'm gonna get this running, and we're gonna have some air conditioning and some heater in that car, and it's gonna be working for a while until I can really do the insides up. So talk to y'all later anyway. I don't know what I'm explaining to y'all for.